Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable screen time on your iPhone. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that with your app. In verse, all you have to do, you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you will find here screen time. Just click on it. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. So then you go down here, just keep going down here. So then you come here to turn off screen time. You just click on it. Then you click here on turn on or turn off screen time. So then here automatically it's going to disable with you like you see on your iPhone. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.